Good afternoon, everybody. It's Chris.
And Joan.
From Chris and Joan's Travels. We're at the Kona Coast Resort on the big island of Hawaii. We just got to the resort. We've checked into the timeshare. Now we're checking out the timeshare. Joni's going to give you a run through it. This place is kind of cool. Two things that are kind of cool about it. It's huge. Timeshare standards, I would say you're going to be impressed by the size of this 2-bedroom.
Very nice.
And second, it comes with a garage. Not that we're going to use it because the car we have is twice the size of the garage, but it's still got a garage.
So you can park in the garage, or if not, then you have to park outside. So here's the tour. So we're in building 7105, and it's a garage. You just open it up, and you can park your garage inside, and that's where you would park.
If you didn't have an Infiniti.
Yeah, we have a super big SUV, so that was kind of nice, kind of different. So you're part of that. And then now you come down, we're on the first floor. These have two floors, so. And then don't mind me trying to go downstairs with my feet. Very nice, so good walkway, pathway. And this is a shell from Wyndham. And get your towels. First off, we'll start right when we get in here. So first stop in is the kitchen. A really big kitchen, one of the biggest kitchens I've seen for a timeshare. Kind of dark though, but that's okay. Really big. It's got counter space. And then this is the washer dryer. I like, as we said before, we like to have the regular size washers, and they do include the laundry detergent, so if you need more you just ask. So that's good. And then a good sized refrigerator. They have to put your margaritas in, and we got some ice already started. And then good size pantry. And another view up there, but I can't reach it, but you can see. And then, of course, is every typical Wyndham. You get the utensils, so you have everything you need to stay here and cooking everything. Your glasses. Sure, there's something up there. Microwave, the stove, and then you got your pots and pans. Or there's nothing up there. Oh yeah, there's nothing up there. Okay, that's all right. Nothing up that one. Utensils. You got your toaster, your coffee, and the coffee is, of course, Kona coffee, and it's a little. There you go. And then you get your stirrers, and we know we can't do a thing without our salt and pepper. And they provide you with napkins, paper towels and stuff. You need more, you always get more. Ask for more. The cups, bowls, dishes, cutting board, towels. So everything you need. So you can stay here and make this is your home away from home. So everything is here, so you can stay here. And then we got our cooking, mixing bowls and things. Really big. And then we got our scrub mommy. And then the dish soap and dishwasher soap. Some extra drawers. Good size sink. Now this is a huge, I think this is one of the hugest kitchens we've seen. Nice island right there on the other side. So outside of the kitchen, you come into the dining room. Really big dining room area. I love it. Nice. That's just our crap, unfortunately. Good dining, good island. Oh, this is where the safe is. Safe. some storage down here. So off of the dining room down is the living room. It's pretty big, really nice. Good sized living room, TV and entertainment center, and some more storage. Nice table there. Let's see. And yes, this is can make into a bed. The couch can make into a bed. Some really pretty. This is Lanai. And so here is the infamous the air conditioning. So you get charged $13 a day for the air conditioning. They said if you have this key in your possession, then you're getting charged for the air. So if you don't want to use the air, you have to turn the key back into the office, and it's a 24-hour period. So like she said you would turn it in if you're not going to use it for a day or two, turn it in the morning, and you won't get charged for the days you don't have the key. But whether you turn this on or not, if you have the key in with you, meaning not checked back in with them, you will get charged air conditioning even if you don't have it on. So that was something we just found out, so that's interesting. So remember, if you don't plan on using the air conditioning, you don't want to, even though you don't turn it on, you're getting charged. You have to turn that blue key into the office, and they will log that they have it, and then you will not get charged the $13 air conditioning. Here's a nice Lanai. I think these are locked for right now because I couldn't get into them before, but I'll get it to the other side. I think this is really nice. Hello there. And then up the stairs, we will go into the first bedroom.
I already got it.
Where's the key for the...
There?
Where do you put the AC key?
I don't know. This is the second bedroom. Really big. Down by the Lanai, by the wall. And like a huge closet. You could live in this closet. Huge closet. Of course, I do have a few hangers. Nice end table. And the end table does have an outlet, a regular plug outlet, so that's good. And good size dresser with TV. Yeah, so this is the second bedroom. So this is the second bathroom, or the shared bathroom. Just basic but nice. Gosh. It's got the tub, and they have the shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. And this is there's the hair dryer. Some more towels. That's the linen closet. This is the master bath. Double sink. Very nice. Okay, so the hair dryer, that hair dryer is the one there. So good size bathroom. They provide hand soap and body lotion, and huge shower. There is no door for the shower, but it's huge. And I'm standing in the back from the sink part. Once again, they do provide you with the body wash, conditioner, shampoo. And there's a seat on the other side. So this is the shower. Like I said, no door, but it's huge. And then the toilet. And this is the master. Go down the stairs.
This place is huge.
Very big bedroom. So another huge closet. That's our luggage, and then extra bedding. Inside there they have the ironing board, the iron, and the broom and dustpan, and a little sweeper. So, and the end tables have the little power switches, outlets on the side, outlet on the side of the lamp. Good size, huge bed, most likely a king. Huge. There. Very nice. Nice sitting area. A big end table. So then here you have your outside lanai. It's huge. So this links to the one from the living room area. So you have a sitting area out here also. So you come out here from the living room to this lanai, to the dining area, and then that's the master side. And we have a view. Sure. We have a view of the tennis court. Supposedly we have a partial view. Yeah, that's the view right there. You can partially see the ocean. I think if we were up on top, we would be able to see it, but unfortunately we got the first floor. But we're not going to complain because it's very nice. We like it. We will let you know how it all works out. This is our first time, this is our first time staying here. We've stayed here in Kona 2 other times at least, and we've stayed at other different timeshare. So we chose to check out something different to see what it was like, and so far we're not so bad. We like it. So it's much bigger than the other ones we've been at, and looks really nice. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you think of the room and of the area we're in, and don't forget to check out all our other videos. We've got quite a few going on, so check them out. Thanks for watching. Aloha. This is Jo from Kristen Jones Travels. Bye.